A very good afternoon, children. Our subject for today is EVS. Children, we see different plants and trees around us. Plants and trees are a very important part of our environment. Like us, plants are living things. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. They make their own food with the help of sunlight, air, and water. Children, do you know how does a plant grow? Yes, it grows from a seed. Fruits and flowers have got seeds in them, and every seed give rise to a new plant with the help of water, soil, sunlight, and air. Now let's learn about parts of a plant. Plants have many parts. They have roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Now let's learn about them in detail. We begin with the first part, that is roots. Roots grow below the ground. They do the work of holding the plant in one place. They help to get water and required minerals for all the parts of the plant from the soil. Next is stem. Stems grow above the ground. They pass water and minerals from the roots to the different parts of the plant. Next is leaves. Leaves are mostly green in color. They prepare food for the plant with the help of sunlight. Children, the plants or the trees have got leaves. The leaves are green in color and the leaves have got small pores in them which we cannot see. That is called the stomata or the small pore openings. These pores help the plant to prepare food in them. Flowers. Flowers are the most colorful part of the plant. Flowers gradually convert into fruits. Next is fruit. Fruits have got seeds which help to reproduce the plant of the same kind. We see plenty of trees around us. Some are small and some are big. Now let's learn different types of or different kinds of plants. We begin with trees first. Trees. Big plants are called trees. They grow tall and have a thick trunk and a plenty of strong branches. Examples are coconut tree, mango tree, gulmohar tree, banyan tree, neem tree. Shrubs. Shrubs are small plants. They have hard, woody stems, but they are not very strong. Shrubs live for only few years. Examples are rose plant, cotton plant, hibiscus plant, tulsi plant. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have soft, thin, green stems. Most herbs have a short life. Examples are spinach, which we call it palak, mint, and grass. Some herbs have thin, long, and weak stems. They cannot stand on their own. They require a support to grow upwards and spread there. For example, you can see in the picture the plants which require support and they move upwards and spread all over, they are called climbers. Some other weak stemmed herbs are there which spread on the ground. They are called creepers. Climbers children, they take the support and they spread upwards. They are called climbers. Other weak stems or other weak herbs which spread on the ground are called creepers. The examples are there in the next slide. You can see here the grapevine and the flower plant which is there. These plants are called climbers. Whereas you can see in the next picture, it's a watermelon and a pumpkin. They spread on the ground. They are called creepers. Remember children, plants are of different kinds. Trees are big plants with strong woody trunks. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They are also known as bushes. Herbs are very small green plants. Climbers are weak-stemmed herbs. They need support to grow upwards. Creepers are weak-stemmed herbs. They spread on the ground. I hope children you have understood part 1 of plants. Thank you.